Pay close attention to what is happening on my screen right now. I am refreshing my account live to show you today's fresh Adsterra earnings and payment proofs. This is the exact daily reality for anyone using the Adsterra loading method. From your very first day, you get a 100% earning guarantee, bringing in a minimum of $100 in profit every single day on complete autopilot. Let's break down how simple this really is. No high-spec computer needed. You don't need expensive hardware or an upgraded PC. This lightweight bot runs smoothly on any basic, normal device you already own. No website required. Forget about domain names, web design, or monthly hosting subscriptions. Your simple Adsterra direct link is all that is required to kickstart your earnings. Zero hidden fees, no surprise recurring charges, no monthly fees, and absolutely no further investment required after you join. Full lifetime access to this complete method and automated bot is available for a flat, one-time payment of $250. For fast and secure transactions anywhere in the world, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know skepticism is high because of all the fake screenshots on social media, and I respect that. I don't ask for blind trust. I offer 100% open transparency. If you have any doubt that this video is real, reach out to me immediately. I will gladly jump on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my real Adsterra account, and refresh the dashboard right in front of your eyes. My name is Adam and Froy. Stop letting hesitation hold you back while others collect daily profits. Send me a direct message right now, secure your bot, and start generating your daily revenue today.